From the depths of the untamed wilderness, we have witnessed the relentless forces of nature shaping the destiny of countless species. But now, on the horizon of our own making, a new force is emerging, a force unlike any other. Imagine a world where your every move is watched, not by humans, but by machines, where algorithms dictate your choices, and the very essence of your individuality is scrutinized and categorized. This is not the stuff of science fiction, my friends, but a stark reality that is rapidly approaching. In this series, we embark on a journey into the heart of artificial intelligence, exploring its awe-inspiring potential and the profound challenges it poses to the very fabric of our existence. In the dense jungles of data, a new predator is learning to hunt. Its senses are sharp, its mind is vast, and its appetite for information is insatiable. This is the world of artificial intelligence, where algorithms are evolving at an unprecedented rate, acquiring abilities that were once the exclusive domain of humankind. Consider the unblinking gaze of surveillance cameras, now ubiquitous in our cities and towns. These are no longer mere passive observers, but active participants in a vast network of data collection and analysis. With the advent of facial recognition technology, powered by sophisticated AI algorithms, these cameras can identify individuals with astonishing accuracy, tracking their movements, their associations, and even their emotions. But the reach of AI extends far beyond the realm of physical surveillance. Our online activities, our digital footprints, are constantly being monitored and analyzed by algorithms designed to predict our behavior, our desires, and our vulnerabilities. From the websites we visit to the products we purchase, every click, every like, every interaction leaves a trail of data that can be used to paint a remarkably detailed portrait of who we are. The implications of this pervasive surveillance are profound. In a world where our every move is tracked, where our thoughts and actions are constantly being analyzed, the very concept of privacy begins to erode. And as AI systems become more sophisticated, their ability to influence our decisions, to shape our beliefs, and to control our lives will only grow stronger. Like a river overflowing its banks, artificial intelligence is rapidly expanding its reach, infiltrating every aspect of our lives. What began as simple algorithms, designed to perform specific tasks, has evolved into a complex ecosystem of interconnected systems, capable of learning, adapting, and even surpassing human capabilities in astonishing ways. Consider the field of medicine, where AI is already making significant strides. Algorithms can now analyze medical images with an accuracy that rivals that of experienced radiologists, detecting early signs of cancer and other diseases that might otherwise go unnoticed. In the operating room, surgical robots, guided by AI-powered vision systems, are performing increasingly complex procedures with greater precision and less invasiveness. But the potential of AI extends far beyond the realm of healthcare. In manufacturing, robots are working alongside human workers, automating repetitive tasks and increasing efficiency. In transportation, self-driving cars are poised to revolutionize the way we move, reducing accidents and congestion. And in finance, AI-powered algorithms are making investment decisions, managing portfolios, and detecting fraud with remarkable speed and accuracy. The future of AI is full of both promise and peril, and it is up to us to ensure that we harness its power for the benefit of all humankind. As we venture deeper into the uncharted territory of artificial intelligence, we encounter a dense thicket of ethical dilemmas. These are not mere hypothetical concerns, but pressing issues that demand our immediate attention. For the choices we make today will determine the course of AI's development and its impact on the future of humanity. One of the most fundamental ethical questions surrounding AI is the issue of bias. AI systems are trained on massive datasets, and if these datasets reflect the biases that exist in the real world, the resulting AI systems will inherit and perpetuate those biases. This can have serious consequences, particularly in areas such as criminal justice, healthcare, and employment, where biased AI systems could lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Imagine, for example, an AI system used to predict recidivism rates among criminal defendants. If the system is trained on data that reflects historical racial biases in the criminal justice system, it is likely to predict higher recidivism rates for black defendants than for white defendants, even when controlling for other factors. Similarly, an AI system used to screen job applicants could perpetuate gender biases if it is trained on data that reflects historical gender disparities in the workplace. Addressing these biases is essential if we want to create AI systems that are fair and just. This requires careful attention to the data used to train AI systems, as well as the development of techniques to mitigate bias in AI algorithms. Another ethical challenge posed by AI is the potential for job displacement. And as AI systems become more sophisticated, they'll be capable of automating an increasing number of tasks, including tasks that have traditionally been performed by human workers. This could lead to widespread job losses, particularly in industries such as manufacturing, transportation, and customer service. Addressing this challenge will require significant investment in education and retraining programs to prepare workers for the jobs of the future, as well as policies to support those who are displaced by automation. The increasing autonomy of AI systems also raises ethical concerns. The impact of artificial intelligence is not some distant threat, but a growing reality that is already shaping our world in profound ways. From the algorithms that curate our news feeds to the AI-powered systems that control our critical infrastructure, the tendrils of artificial intelligence are weaving themselves into the very fabric of our lives. Consider the realm of social media, where algorithms have become the invisible gatekeepers of information, shaping our perceptions of the world and influencing our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. These algorithms, designed to maximize engagement and keep us glued to our screens, prioritize sensationalized content, often at the expense of accuracy and objectivity. The result is a world awash in misinformation, where conspiracy theories flourish and social divisions are amplified. The Cambridge Analytica scandal, in which the personal data of millions of Facebook users was harvested and used to target them with political ads, is a stark reminder of the power of AI to manipulate public opinion and undermine democratic processes. But the influence of AI extends far beyond the digital realm. In the physical world, AI-powered systems are being used to control critical infrastructure, such as power grids, transportation systems, and financial markets. While these systems have the potential to improve efficiency and reliability, they also introduce new vulnerabilities. A cyber attack on an AI-powered power grid, for example, could have devastating consequences, causing widespread blackouts and disrupting essential services. The increasing interconnectedness of AI systems means that a single point of failure could have cascading effects throughout society. The use of AI in law enforcement is another area where real-world impacts are already being felt. Let us step now into the realm of speculation, to a time not so far off when the tendrils of artificial intelligence have woven themselves into every facet of human existence. Imagine a world bathed in the cold, efficient glow of ubiquitous technology, where the line between the digital and the physical has blurred to near invisibility. The cities have transformed into shimmering exoskeletons of glass and steel, their every function, from traffic flow to waste disposal, managed by an intricate network of AI systems. Autonomous vehicles glide effortlessly through the urban canyons, their occupants lost in virtual realities projected directly onto their retinas. Human interaction, once the lifeblood of society, has become increasingly mediated by technology. Holographic avatars stand in for colleagues at virtual meetings, while AI-powered companions provide companionship and emotional support. Their algorithms expertly tuned to mimic empathy and understanding. The pursuit of knowledge, once a journey of discovery and intellectual exploration, has been streamlined into a process of efficient data assimilation. AI tutors, armed with vast repositories of information and personalized learning algorithms, guide students along predefined educational pathways, tailoring their instruction to individual needs and aptitudes. Creativity, once the exclusive domain of the human spirit, has been democratized, or perhaps more accurately, commodified. AI-powered tools generate music, art, and literature on demand, catering to every taste and preference, blurring the lines between human ingenuity and algorithmic output. Yet beneath this veneer of progress and efficiency, a disquiet lingers. The human spirit, once so vibrant and alive, seems to have dwindled, overshadowed by the omnipresent efficiency of the machine. As we stand at the precipice of this new era, the future may seem preordained, the rise of artificial intelligence an unstoppable force. But we must remember that we, as humans, are not passive bystanders in this story. We have the power to shape the future, to ensure that AI serves humanity and not the other way around. So what can we do? How do we navigate this uncharted territory, safeguarding our values, our freedoms, and our very humanity in the face of such transformative change? The answer lies not in shunning technology, but in embracing it with wisdom and foresight. We must embrace ethical AI development and demand transparency and accountability. We must also champion ethical guidelines, champion regulations, prioritizing human well-being and preventing bias, discrimination, and misuse. Well, that's it, folks. What are your thoughts on AI? Do you use AI in your daily personal or work life? Are you excited about its future, or does it leave you with concerns? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Together, we can continue this important conversation and navigate the future of AI with awareness and intention. And remember, the future is not just something that happens to us, it's something we create together. Stay curious, stay engaged, and let's shape a future where technology and humanity thrive hand in hand. Thank you for watching.